Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. Here's a project I recently made. I thought I'd share it with you. We are applying flat back crystals to ceramics. This is a little ceramic piñata that I designed for Paint on Pottery Studios. I glazed it, but I forgot to add all the little details that I normally do. So I thought, what can I do to add that Crafty Chica magic? And you know what? I remembered how John Bead Company sent me a whole bunch of glorious flat back crystals. So let me show you how I applied them. First of all, choose the size that you want and the color, and I like to put them in a little tray so I can flip them over, and then you'll need some extra strength adhesive that will dry clear and a crystal application tool. You can also use a crayon. First thing we're doing is squirting the glue into a little tray, and with this tool, that tip, you can move the crystals around, but I also like to use it to pick up and apply the glue. The other side is waxy to pick up the crystal, so you'll see that in just a second. So I'm making little dots of the glue, and I'm using the waxy side to pick up each crystal one by one and place it on top of the glue. That's it. That is the whole process. I decided to go through all of the little lines on the side of this piñata. And by the way, if you like this planter, I sell the kits with craft paint so that you could buy it and paint it at home. And maybe I'll add crystals to the kit now that I come to think of it. Anyway, I'm just applying these one by one. This is a very relaxing craft. It's a great project when you're listening to a podcast or watching a movie. If you like doing diamond dots, it's the same kind of concept, but just not as intense. You can look around your house, see what items you have that need a little pop of sparkle, and add some flat back crystals to them. You can also apply these to fabric, but you need to use fabric glue that will stretch with the fabric. This white glue is going to dry clear. Here's the end result. They came out so absolutely cute. I cannot wait to make more of these. Let me know what you think of this project. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video, and visit Crafty Chica for even more crafty ideas. Ask me about my pottery. I will share all of the other pottery pieces that I have designed and made. Have a great day.